Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Mary Jean Bermas. I'm 36 years old from Hindi Bakakay, Albay, Philippines.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
And do you have kids?
Yes, I have 4 kids.
And who will take care of them?
My husband and my father.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
We are 4 siblings.
How many sisters and brothers do you have?
I have one sisters and 2 brothers.
And can you please tell me about your educational background?
I am a college graduate at San Jose Community College with a course of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
I have no experience abroad, but I have experience in the Philippines with 2 employers. I worked in year 2019 to 2022. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, ironing, marketing, taking care of kids, and taking care of pets.
Okay. And how would you describe yourself?
I am passionate, responsive, and flexible.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, I have no tattoo.
Also, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, I don't any kind of surgery.
Okay. And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to secure my future of my children and my family.
That's right. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared.
So for this one, can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums? So this is based on your own experience.
I'm going to tell them with a calm voice. I am going to play with them. I teach them dancing or singing, and I'm going to play with them outside the house.
Okay, that's perfect. And lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your household worker because I am responsible. I am willing to take good care of your family as well, and I am going to finish my contract. To my future employer, please choose me as your household worker because I'm responsible.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.